Hello, Mr. Walworth, 5.4 solving proportions. We've been doing this a little bit, but we're going to take it a step farther today. There's basically three main ways to solve a proportion. They're listed here. I'm going to use the example at the bottom as a way to do this. Mental math is just kind of a basic look at something. If I see I have 2 over 20, I have 2, and then obviously a 0 to that 2. You would kind of do the same thing. Mental math here. Okay, if I have 100 at the bottom, my answer should be basically 1 less 0, and my answer would be 10. Probably not the best way to do it. Multiplication is what we've been doing. We understand that 20 times 5 is going to get me the 100, so I would multiply my 2 times my 5, and my answer, of course, would be the 10 that I just talked about. That's what we've been doing. The new one here is what's called cross products, and this is something that really is valuable because it always works. Basically, this times this has to equal this times this. So that's called cross products. If I multiply these two across, it has to equal the value of whatever these two is multiplied straight across. 2 times the 100 gets me 200. 20 times x would be 20x. Obviously, these two have to equal each other. Well, we obviously know the answer is 10. I can divide by 20 on both sides and prove that, and sure enough, these cancel out. X equals 10. So that's called cross products, and that's something that's very valuable that you will see a lot of this section. All right, let's look at a few problems here. Instantly, you should see that I don't have an easy multiplication like we did before, that we always knew the answer basically by multiplying straight across. This is where cross products really can help us. If I multiply straight across, I'm going to get 8 times 7 is 56, and I'm going to get 10 times x, which is 10x. I then go ahead and I divide by 10 on both sides. This cancels out, and I get x equals 5.6. So it's not always going to come out perfectly with multiplication like we're used to, so you really have to get in the habit of being able to use cross products. The one on the right here, same situation here. I'm going to multiply straight across. Sorry, scribbling here. 3 times y is obviously 3y. 9 times 17 is 153. When I go ahead and I divide by 3 on both sides, I'm going to cancel out that. Y equals 153 divided by 3 is 51. So again, not always easy way to do this, but cross products always works. Obviously, if you did look carefully here, if I erase this, 9 divided by 3 would get you 3, and obviously 17 times 3 is a 51. So that does work, but I'm just trying to show you that cross products is a valuable tool that will always work for you as well. Okay, here are 2 practice problems I'd like you to try for tomorrow. Definitely A there, you're going to need to use cross products. It's not going to work otherwise. This one you can pick how you do it, but for sure this one you're going to need to use cross products, so that'd be great practice for you. Good luck, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.